Hello and happy holidays. I'm Marion and I am a brand ambassador and spokesperson for Keys, our financial education program here at GM Financial. I've been with GM Financial for over 7 years, and it has been my great privilege to be able to train our professionals on how to provide remarkable service. I'm joined by two individuals today that are going to be a part of our Heroes Who Inspire Hope. I want to read, Aishavian, what she actually sent in for you. She goes, I want to honor my daughter-in-law, Aishavian Johnson. She's a registered nurse and sometimes even works on her off days in Mississippi where the COVID-19 numbers are high. But she's an amazing nurse and a wonderful mother. Words can't express how I feel about my daughter-in-law. She had to drop out of nursing school twice. She had no one to take her to school, but between me and my family, her mom and grandmom and my mom, we were able to figure it out. We did everything we needed to get her through. My son stayed home with their girls. When she drove herself, she was in a car with no heat or air. I thank God for blessing my daughter-in-law to be able to do what she loved. She's our hero. Aishavian Johnson, we love you. Jeanette, if you would just introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about why you wanted to honor Aishavian.
Well, I'm Jeanette Gaines. Aishavian Johnson is my daughter-in-law. And words can't explain how I feel about Aishavian. She knows that. That's my daughter. She had to drop out twice. The third time she didn't drop out. She didn't give up, so you'll make me cry. It was hard. It was hard because I couldn't be there. But I did my best from where I was to help them through everything. My mom, my daughter, her mom, her grandmother. Oh my God, her grandmother's amazing. But she deserved it. When she did cross that stage, I couldn't be there. But that made me the happiest lady in the world. To see my daughter-in-law make it. So yeah, she's a wonderful person.
After hearing those words and just her heartfelt message as she was talking earlier, what do you think about that?
I appreciate that. If it wasn't for you, I would not be a nurse. Thank you for all the support and encouragement over the years. And I love you. And thank you.
I love you too.
So tell me this, Aishavian, tell me, during this time, during this pandemic time and everything, how has that impacted you?
It's been hard, but I've been blessed. Me and my family, we haven't, caught COVID, and I'm thankful for that. We've been practicing social distancing and, trying to keep everything clean. And I'm blessed that my kids are healthy and safe, and my family.
Absolutely. That absolutely is a blessing. So I tell you, when we heard this story, we really wanted to show our appreciation for you, especially this year. And we really wanted to celebrate you with a gift. And so I don't know if you know this, but the average car payment in the United States is $550. And guess what, Aishavian? Today, we want to give you a gift card in the amount of $550. We are so excited and appreciative, and we just hope that this brings some joy and some hope to this holiday season for you. So we are so excited to be able to offer you this. And really, I want to say, Jeanette, we did not forget about you, because without you, we would not be able to share this story of hope. So guess what? We got another $550. So we we are just so happy to be able to share this with you today.
Oh, thank you, Miss Marianne.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
I didn't expect anybody to hear that or respond, but yeah.
I'm so glad you shared the story because it was a fabulous story. And even sitting and watching you with the emotion as you talked about all of the challenges that she had and how she overcame those. What a wonderful story of hope, which is what we wanted to talk about today. So I just want to let you all know that we appreciate you in all that you do. And we want to say happy holidays from all of us here at GM Financial.
Happy holidays to you too.
Thank you. So my name is Marian Hicks, and you can find me on YouTube talking about Keys by GM Financial. If you need help during this time navigating your current financial situation, please feel free to visit us at Keys Online. Visit gmfinancial.com to start learning for free today.